How much can you transfer from Ally Bank? Intro. Hey there, you've just scored a big bonus or perhaps inherited a sizable sum of money. You're excited to invest it, but you're not sure how much you can transfer from your Ally Bank account in one go. In this video, we'll dive deep into Ally Bank's transfer limits and explore some strategies to maximize your transfers. Understanding Ally Bank's transfer limits. Ally Bank, like many financial institutions, has limits in place to prevent fraud and ensure the stability of their system. These limits can vary depending on several factors, including account type. Your account type, checking, savings, or money market, will influence the transfer limits. Transfer method, whether you're using a wire transfer, ACH transfer, or another method, can affect the limits. Transfer frequency, how often you transfer funds, can also impact the limits. Wire transfers, a quick and secure option. Wire transfers are a popular choice for transferring large sums of money. They're typically fast and secure, but they often come with higher fees compared to other methods. Ally Bank generally allows for substantial wire transfers, but it's essential to check their specific limits for your account type. ACH transfers, a cost-effective alternative. ACH transfers are electronic funds transfers that are processed through the Automated Clearing House (ACH) network. They're usually cheaper than wire transfers and can be used for both domestic and international transfers. Ally Bank's ACH transfer limits may be slightly lower than their wire transfer limits, but they're still suitable for transferring significant amounts of money. Other transfer methods, exploring your options. In addition to wire and ACH transfers, Ally Bank may offer other transfer methods, such as mobile check deposit. This allows you to deposit checks directly into your Ally Bank account using your smartphone. Bill pay. You can set up automatic payments for bills from your Ally Bank account. While these methods might not be ideal for transferring large sums of money, they can be useful for smaller transactions. Tips for maximizing your transfers. Plan ahead. If you know you need to transfer a large amount of money, plan ahead and inform Ally Bank of your intentions. This can help prevent any unexpected issues. Consider multiple transfers. If you're dealing with a very large sum, you might need to break it down into multiple transfers to stay within the limits. Review your account terms. Always refer to your Ally Bank account agreement for the most accurate and up-to-date information on transfer limits. Conclusion. Transferring large amounts of money from Ally Bank is generally possible, but it's important to understand the limits and plan accordingly. By familiarizing yourself with the different transfer methods and considering the factors that influence limits, you can ensure a smooth and efficient transfer process. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.